This is the Siu Lem Tau explanation series. So this is the basic form of Wing Chun. So we'll be doing it. Okay. So when we start Wing Chun, we have to learn the forms first. There comes Siu Lem Tau, then comes Chim Kyu, and thirdly comes Zhu Ji. Okay. So when we start to learn Wing Chun, we will be coming to Siu Lem Tau. Siu Lem Tau is a basic idea behind Wing Chun Kung Fu. It is called a little learning also. Okay. So with the start of Wing Chun, you'll see that we have to take the hourglass stance or the basic stance. We have to put our hands to the side and bend our knees and assume the ghost stance. Okay. So why is this called the ghost stance? The knees are twisted, bent inwards, and the heels are also bent inwards, and the leg and the toes are bent inwards, and the heels are outwards. Okay, from the top of the body, we cannot see the feet. Okay, we cannot see the heels, so you can see the toes of the feet. Okay, the knees are somewhat bended, the back is straight, the shoulder is sunken, the heart remains sunken, and the stomach remains swollen. Okay, it becomes it remains very relaxed. Okay, or in the triangular form. Okay, so when you start learning Wing Chun, you have to take the hourglass stance. This is also called the E.G. Kimyuma. Okay, or called the hourglass stance. From here we understand that the body is tilted very straight, and the legs are bent inwards. It looks like hourglass. Okay, the knees are bent inwards and the legs are slightly outwards. From the top of the body we cannot see the feet. Okay, the shoulder and the heels are straight, parallel to one another. Okay, and from the top you cannot see the feet. From here we assume the hourglass stance. When we practice the hourglass stance, we will observe that we develop sufficient strength in the legs to move forward in the fight. Okay, there are different types of moving stances. Okay, from here we start to understand Choma, and from here also we start to understand the Toma. Okay, the advancing footwork. Okay, there are different types of stances in Wing Chun, but to start off with, practice the hourglass stance. Okay, so this is how it takes the form. From here we start the hand movement, hand with the cross hands, and then we rotate it inside and takes the form. Okay, when we start off with stance, you will observe that if someone tries to pull a kick on you, we can move slightly backwards and stop it with the cross hands. Okay, Siu Lem Tau. So when a person tries to kick you, okay, it can be a straight kick, it can be a thrusting kick, it can be a javelin kick also. You can use the cross hands to stop it. From here we rotate it inwards and take the hourglass stance. Okay, from here we understand when we rotate it inwards, we will understand the unlocking techniques of Wing Chun. Okay, suppose someone tries to grab hold of your hand. From here we can move it to Tan Sao, and okay, so this is why it is practiced. From here, one back, you will understand how it takes the form, and with the help of it we can release the attacker.